Hello families, we also want to practice NBT.2. I want to show you a different way to do it using place value, because NBT.2 wants you to use place value to add and subtract larger numbers. So we want to try to use place value to actually do this. So one way we do this is using expanded form, because it shows the actual value of each number in their respective places. So when I look at this, you may say, okay, I can just add this, regroup, that's fine for the old school way, but we want to do it a new way. Okay, we want to use place value. So what we're going to do, we want to stretch this out. I'm going to make this 130 plus 2, okay, plus 100 plus 10, because that 1 is in the tens place, there's only one 10, and then 9. So now, let's walk through this together. The older way, you had to regroup, you had to carry the 1, okay? But now, if I have 9, 10, 11, I can actually write 11 there. Then I have 30 plus 10. Most children can see 3 and 1 make 4, so they'll be able to do this in their head. So we have 40. Then we have 1 and 1. We all know that's 200. So now I have 240, and then I have 11. Well, most children nowadays can see that 11 and 40, the 4 and the 1 make 5, the 0 and the 1 make 1. So they'll be able to tell you that's 51. Okay? Then you have 200 left over, so that's 251. That's a good way to show that you understand the place value. Now you may be saying, well, that may be nice when you're adding, but what about when you're subtracting? It makes it even better, because you'll understand the value of each place. Okay, so now we have 500 plus 30 plus 2. So 200 plus 60 plus 7. So when I get ready to subtract, watch how I borrow, opposed to when we were in school way back. Okay, so if I can't do 2 minus 7, I borrow a 10. Okay, so now I subtract 10 from these 3 10s, which is 30, and I have 20. And now there's 12. I want to add 10, so now that's really 12 minus 7, and that equals 5. Now I still have 20 minus 60. It's not going to work. But instead of saying I'm going to just carry, I take 100 from here. Now I have 400. Okay? That 100 that I took there goes here, so now that's 120. 120 minus 60. They should see that those 12 10s subtracted. So subtracting 6 10s is 6 10s, which is 60. 400s minus 200s is 200. Okay? So now we have 265. Okay? Very different. But I want my children to actually learn to do it this way, just in case they get confused with the original algorithm. We really like this way here in 3rd grade. So we're going to have a few under this video. If you're on my GoFormative, there's a few under the video. If you're not, make up your own. Practice trying to do it in expanded form and see how well you do. All right? I'm sure you'll do well.